everyone, today we're going to do something a bit different. Another one of my fixing videos. You might remember I did one before when I fixed up a UPS, a power supply, and that was quite good. We fixed that quite nicely. But today we're going to fix something else, which is this thing here. And what we have here is a pedestal fan, a simple pedestal fan. Now, I've already disassembled it, and unfortunately we didn't catch that footage. We had some production issues and we didn't catch that footage on the camera. But hopefully you'll be able to see it when I film here, and you can understand when I put it back together where all the parts come from. So here's all the bits and pieces that have come off it. So this fan has had two problems. Number one problem is that it doesn't oscillate anymore. It doesn't move left to right, doesn't swing. And the second problem is that the fan, the blades, the fan blades broke because the fan fell over, and those blades are quite a brittle plastic, and they broke. So fortunately we live in Thailand, and here you can easily get spare parts for things like this. So there's two parts we needed. Obviously the fan blades, which are in this box here. So that's a 16-inch blade, fan blade. So that's in there. And the other thing that we had to get, which was causing the oscillation issue, was this gear assembly here. Now that's inside the fan somewhere about there. So this is the faulty one, and we bought I'm gonna wreck the table, and we bought a brand new one here. This is an original one from Mitsubishi. This is a Mitsubishi brand fan. So an original fan blade and an original gear assembly. So we're gonna put that on now. So I'll open this up. Just open him up. There we go. Here she is in the inner workings. That's a Mitsubishi original part there. Oh, by the way, this original part cost me 85 baht. And no, sorry, that's wrong. The fan blade cost me 85 baht. This cost me 135 baht to get an original part here. And let's see, that's what she comes in. And here she is, all sealed up. Try and get it open. So we get that up. Oh, it's good. It comes pre-greased too. I was wondering about that. So there's the piece of work there. So we have to take this arm off and put it onto here, and we'll do that at some stage. They're the parts. So let's get to it. Let's fix it and get it back together. Okay, now the parts that you're going to need to do this job, or the tools you're going to need to do this job, a Phillips head screwdriver. This one is a PH1, 125 millimeters long, but a PH1 Phillips head screwdriver, that's what you'll need there. The pocket knife, well, that's always handy to lever things or whatever. You need a cloth because there's kind of grease and so on there. And this is another handy thing, a can of this electronic cleaner. This is good to just clean all the parts. You just spray it. Like I even clean that casing there because that gets all full up with dust and so on. You can just spray it out with that. You can also just put this in some warm soapy water and clean it, but this is just quicker. And it evaporates pretty well straight away, so it's a good kind of product. You just get one that's just one from Thailand here, but there's thousands of brands of this stuff. Just get yourself some of that. All right. So that part there, that's where the fan blade attaches on that end there. That must go like that. So this arm here came from the old part that came out, so there's nothing wrong with this, and this part doesn't come with the new gear set. So you just simply slide that circlip off, put the old one back on, put this back on, and then reinstall a circlip. That just slides on and slides off. It's only going onto plastic, so it's not that hard to do. I just use the pocket knife to pry it out there like that, to remove it, and then to push it back in when it comes to replace it. It's pretty straightforward. Right, so that's that, and that goes on the back here. Like this, we think. That goes around there. And that'll hook onto there. And we'll fix that on in a minute. Don't tighten them right up until you get all three in. Something like that. I don't know what that does. There's old Zada. Look at that. How's that for packaging? Well, they sent me the wrong size blade, so we've got a roadblock. So that's just wrong. That one, that's actually, it may be all right, but maybe, anyway, the blade's wrong. The blade's wrong.